Welcome, everyone. This is Ade Akishiku. I am the CDO chair, and we'll be starting in a few minutes, starting by 4:01, allowing other people to log in. Well, once again, I'd like to welcome everyone to the 2015 International Committee, National Society of Black Engineers International Community Committee, International Committee Consulting Design Olympiad and Informational Session. My name is Adeboyega Kishiku, and I am your 2015 to 2016 Consulting Design Olympiad chairperson. Now let's get started. First, I would like to give a brief background on who we are, the International Committee, and excuse me, and in the Consulting Design Olympiad. The purpose of the NSBE International Committee is to coordinate the expansion of NSBE, and through the programs, we hope that NSBE can connect to various countries, which will result in increased engineers in those locations and drastically increase communication, technology exchange, and cultural development in the areas touched by NSBE. Our goal for the 2016 National Convention is to showcase technical solutions to real engineering and scientific problems through international collaboration. So why and what is the CDO? The CDO is a design project that challenges NSBE members to be global engineering consultants. Your teams, the CDO will allow teams of 8 that can be formed. Team members should be from a local chapter and an international chapter. So for example, if you have a team of 8, University X and University X chapters in America, you can only have members from University X. So you can have University X or the North American chapter, University X and University W participating on one team. One local chapter equals one team. And the University X can then form a partnership with an international chapter, and only 4 members can come from that international chapter. and it has to be one international chapter, one chapter. Each team should submit their own application form. So if University X and University Y form a team, each member or each team should submit their own application form to the Consulting Design Olympiad. And you'll just place your team name, and the committee will take care of the rest. Each chapter should elect a captain. The team captain will serve as a project manager and the liaison between the team and the International Committee Convention Planning Chair, which is me, Ade. Teams are encouraged to select industrial mentors, if accessible, who support global collaboration and will actively participate in coaching your team through the entire project towards success. Later on, or around January 2006, we will have a Q&A, and I'll actually provide mentors' names for the team if they are unable to find one at their current chapter. But we would prefer that your industrial mentor is local to your specific chapter. And each team then must conceive a project and develop a problem statement. The project selection should be based on a combination of needs of the region, available resources, sustainability, technological advancement, and economics. Projects must be technical in nature, encompassing theory and or application involving engineering and or sciences. For example, design and implementation of solar panels to supply the energy needs of a boarding school in a mid-sized South American community would be an example of a project. Once the team has decided on a concrete project, a problem statement should be sent to the International Committee Convention Planning Chairperson. Now we'll go over the important dates and deadlines. November 16th, 2015, tomorrow, registration will open. Opens on the NSBE International website. It will be a simple Google form that you can submit. Registration closes December 31st, 2015. Our first question and answer session is on January 13th, or is scheduled for January 3rd, 2016. You're asking, what is a question and answer session? It's more of an opportunity for local chapters, international chapters to interface with mentors, with me, the chairperson, and provide like a status update. So, for example, question and answer session 1, we plan to go over what is a proper scientific journal article format. A mentor will give will give a story about their experience working on international projects. January 10th, 2016, abstracts are due by 11:59. February 7th, 2016, and March 6th, 2016 are the last question and answer session. A digital one-pager is due by 11:59 on March 20th, 2016. A written project report is due by 11:59 p.m. March 22nd, 2016, and we will tentatively oral presentations will be on March 24th, 2016 at National Convention. So now let's move on some of the deliverables. The abstract should provide an overview of or summary of the project from objectives, results, or findings. Or findings including the geographic location where the problem exists. The abstract should not be longer than a page and should be descriptive enough for a reader to grasp the technical nature of the project. The final report, once again, is due March 22nd, 2016 by 11:59 to the International Committee Convention Planning Chairperson, or CDO chairperson, as a Word document. The final report should be 4 to 5 pages in ACM SIG Chi extended abstract format. And we'll go over that format during the question and answer session, the first question and answer session. A digital one-pager is due by March 20th, 2016 by 11:59 p.m. Eastern. A one-pager is an executive summary of your problem and a cogent explanation of your solution. Examples will be sent after the registration period ends. Judging and awards. Collaboration is 20% of your final score. Final report is 40%, and things that we're looking for is the quality of research, feasibility of project execution and technical content, report layout and readability, grammar, diction, and references. 10% for your digital one-pager, and we're looking for clarity of the one-pager, the layout and readability, grammar and diction, and overall visual impression. Once again, we'll provide examples of a one-pager. The oral final presentation is 30%, and this will occur during convention. Teams will have 15 minutes to present on their project and a 10-minute question and answer session. Judging criteria of the oral final presentation, the factors are completeness of review of problem and proposed solution, inclusion of team members, use of visual aids, ability to answer judges' questions, delivery by team members, and effectiveness of presentation, adherence to time constraints. All right, now I would like to open the floor for any questions we might have on the live chat. It seems that the contact information page isn't coming up as clearly, and I will send out the information. But if you have any questions on the live chat, please press them now. Place them in now. All right, seems like we don't have any live chat questions. Please feel free to contact me at any time if you have any questions at all, and I will provide the list of contact information for your regional international chairperson. And I look forward to working with you all, and have a great afternoon.